Stovetop ground chicken Seekh Kebab Masala. At home, it will take 30 to 40 minutes of your time. Make the best chicken Seekh Kebab out of chicken breast and chicken thigh boneless. Healthy, authentic ground chicken Seekh Kebab Masala is here. My name is Umair, you're watching Mirban Hungry YouTube channel. Let's make ground chicken Seekh Kebabs in cast iron, and then we will make a masala and serve the delicious Seekh Kebabs on top of the masala. So for the chicken Seekh Kebab Masala, you will need boneless chicken breast and you will need boneless chicken thighs. You will need a food processor, food mixer, some regular home ingredients and some fresh vegetables including tomatoes. Tomatoes will be the base of the masala. Just one fillet of the breast. We have to mix match the meat. 3 fillets of the chicken thighs. Let's rinse this and process this in our food processor. Fine ground chicken meat. Let's add it right here. Here you go. Our fresh ground chicken is ready. Yum. Now let's add onion in the same jar. You don't have to wash it because these all vegetables will go in this meat, so we can use the same processor for the vegetables. Now let's start with the onion. 1 medium-sized onion, dice it into small pieces. It gets easy for our processor. So this is approximately about 1.5 pounds of the meat. Add at least 10 fresh cloves of garlic. Take pepper. You can use red, yellow or green. Use half of it. It will bring the fresh flavor in your chicken Seekh Kebabs. 3 chilies. I have made this recipe so many times. Let's process the fresh veggies for our delicious Seekh Kebabs. Our fresh veggies are being processed. When you process the vegetables, don't add the water. If you see at the bottom, there is water. Squeeze it from the hand or put it in the cloth. Squeeze this whole. We don't need the water in here. So straightforward, you will add the veggies in the food mixer. This is what we want. Less water possible. This is all we left with, and we don't need that. Now it's the time. Let's take our freshly homemade ground chicken, put it in the food mixer. Let's season this delicious ground chicken with some dry spices. For the dry spices, I'm taking salt first, 1 tablespoon of it. Ginger powder, 1 tablespoon. Chili powder goes in here. If you're not a fan of chilies, you can do half tablespoon. So it goes in here. Fenugreek leaves, do add it. Get it dry. It's easy to get it. I'll tag it in the description, so you can get it easily from YouTube store. All these ingredients and the appliances, if you're lacking, 1 tablespoon of fenugreek leaf. Last but not least, black pepper powder. You will add 1 tablespoon. Grab cornstarch or corn flour. We do need that. We will take 2 tablespoons of it. It will help the kebab to stay intact. Turmeric, do add it. It will give the flavor and it will give the color as well. Half tablespoon of the turmeric. Let's mix this at least for 5 minutes. Here you go. Look at this. Delicious marinade for the ground chicken Seekh Kebab is completely ready. I'm taking out the leftovers. Before making Seekh Kebabs, let's add half cup of olive oil in our cast iron pan. Put it on high flame. You will need a skewer. Put oil on your hands. Once you make the meatball, put it onto skewer. Stovetop Seekh Kebabs usually are flat from each side, so don't worry about if they are not wavy. Once you make this Seekh Kebab, here you go. Let's land it right here. Careful. The fry time for the Seekh Kebab is 4 minutes each side on the high flame. These are big Seekh Kebabs, fatty too. They're big. Yeah. Handmade Seekh kebabs are cooking up. Watch your time, flip it after 3 minutes each kebab. Look at this, it's not done yet, I'm just telling you. It's holding its spot perfectly. Delicious chicken Seekh kebabs are cast iron, shallow, fried. They are completely ready. Let's land them right now in the plate. Look at this. Alright, let's make the masala. Put your stove onto medium flame for now. Take 1, 2, 3 and 4 fresh tomatoes. Roughly slice them. We have all kind of spices, all kind of flavors in our Seekh kebab. So for the masala, keep it light. Tomatoes are sliced. Every kebab has 1 tomato. Keep in mind. Here you go. Add all the tomatoes in here. Put your stove onto high flame now. For the masala, half tablespoon of the salt. In other words, our kebabs are well seasoned. We don't need to put any extra seasoning in our masala. Tomatoes will take 10 minutes on the high flame. After 10 minutes of roasting tomatoes, this texture you need. Half lemon in here. Give it a mix. One by one, we will add delicious kebabs in here. They're in the masala. Put your stove onto simmer. Garnish with some fresh green chilies, 2 to 3 lemon slices. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes I'll see you with the taste test. This is exactly 50 minutes later. Let's dive it with the spoon. Look at this. With the masala. Here you go. Look at this. It's still hot. And if you don't have kebab ingredients, you can use this masala. Put it on the kebab. Alright, here you go. So good. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care.